Hello, hi everyone. This is Agent Ricky with Ricky and Jesse Realty. Today I'm going to show you our latest upcoming listing in North Pomona. What's special about this house is it's located in a very nice, beautiful neighborhood with a lot of trees, wide streets, and it's San Marino-like neighborhood, but with only 1/3 the price. The house is 1,941 square feet with 4 rooms and 3.5 baths. What's special about this house is it's got huge flat lot. It's almost half an acre and with very beautiful succulent plants, fruit trees, jacuzzi, and it's all flat and with a lot of potential to build a back house, additional dwelling unit. And the house is completely redone. The roof is new with lifetime warranty, new window, new pipe, new wiring, and fresh new paint. So the owner has spent a lot of money on this house. And now you have a chance to own this beautiful house. With no further wait, let's take a look.